Technicians at Legacy say that they're gearing up for a busy summer season. And with a nationwide AC part shortage, if your AC breaks now, you could be waiting months for repairs and paying more.
Repair times can be anywhere from, if it's a simple part, obviously same day. If it's something a little more complicated, it can be anywhere from 3 weeks to 2 months.
With temperatures across the valley rising, your AC unit is working harder. And if something goes wrong, you may be waiting up to 2 months for a fix. The HVAC industry is currently dealing with a shortage of refrigerant, a critical component for many units, causing delays and driving up repair costs. Technicians at Legacy, a local HVAC company in East Las Vegas, says many of these problems can be prevented, but only if homeowners pay attention to warning signs and stay on top of routine maintenance.
If this thing's not working right for you, there's 2 lines that come into this thing. Your heart lives in here, so basically the compressor lives in here. If it's working, you come outside and you grab this one, the bigger one, this pipe, it should be cold. If it's not, something's going on with it, give us a call.
We will have all of the information mentioned in the story along with tips on how you can keep your AC system running properly. For Channel 13, I'm Shakira Hawkins.